Spotify Wrapped 2023. So, if you want to go ahead and get your Spotify Wrapped 2023, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Spotify. Either it may be on your phone, it may be on your PC. So, once you open up your Spotify Wrapped, generally, the time for Spotify Wrapped will run out a few days after, I think when the Spotify Wrapped is released. But you can actually find your Spotify Wrapped playlist if you like your top songs 2023. So this is going to be your Spotify Wrapped, and they're going to give you a whole public playlist. Okay, you can also find Spotify Wrapped in your library if you want to. So just go into your library. Okay, you can even expand it. You can find it in your home library as well. Like if you scroll to the bottom, Spotify Wrapped should appear over here, but obviously right now the time for Wrapped has ran out, so currently you won't get any, but the normal uniquely yours section will have your Wrapped songs playlist. So this is where you can find it, and that is your Spotify Wrapped. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.